Hello and welcome to week 5's homework. If the first thing that you will look at, it says number 2, complete last week's hybrid. Click on where it says see week 4 and pause the video. When you get to week 4, you need to click on this green part where it says hybrid, begin RISE workshop. If you haven't already, some of you have, you need to go to this website, create your account, and complete letter groups 1 and 2. When you click on the RISE reading workshop, here is where you can watch a video of what to do, and then below this is where you need to sign up. When you click on it and sign up, you're going to have to take my name out of it and put in yours, okay, and create your own. Here's our class code where you need to register. Okay, so take mine out, take out my password, and there's yours. Okay, pause. This RISE workshop is self-paced. I think I have it due in November before Thanksgiving that you would complete all of it. It is a big assignment, and you'll learn a lot about the English language. Underneath that are the pages that need to be submitted to finish up with systematic explicit phonics instruction. Everything you need is below. I gave you the handouts. If you need the handouts, you can also look up above, and on Tuesday, also I put them into the submission box. So everything you'll need is in here, and complete that by Sunday. And then practice your phonograms. If you want, you can also watch this video. She does a lot of hand gestures with the same sounds. I'm not good at that. And then the homework for next week is on phonological awareness. You'll need to open up this PowerPoint, so press pause. When you open up the PowerPoint, it's on phonological awareness. The next slide, these are the objectives. We're going to do 1 through 6 in the homework. Read them. In objective 1, you're going to be taking some notes. The directions are here on the page. Follow along. There's what page numbers. It also goes on in the corner. On the bottom of page 49, also add some true or false, and we'll check them in class. Next slide is this one. I gave you this as a handout. Please put this on page 50. Read about it. You're going to have to fill in these top names on yours. On that same page, I gave you a consonant chart. Put this also on page 50. Look at the letters. Look at all the categories and the columns and the rows, and make these sounds. On the next page, or this page is just for your information. Please read it and look at it. You can even Google it and look on even Wikipedia. This is also the same objective, but now we're going to the vowels. Put this on page 51. At the bottom of page 51, start thinking what would be some words that are not transparent. Add those to the bottom. On page 52, I gave you the phonological awareness umbrella. Please put this on the page, page 52. If I happen to forget to put this in your packet, I can't remember. Then skip this one. We'll come back to it, but I'm pretty sure I gave that to you. There's some extra raindrops. These things need to get written on the extra raindrops. I gave you this. Put this on page 53 and follow the directions. Put these in a logical order, kind of based on the arc. And then last, we're going to start reading in our book. Read chapter 3, and your main focus is how do we teach phonemic awareness, and what are some activities, and that goes along with this objective. What are some activities for phonological awareness? Okay. Again, the handouts are here down below if you need them and weren't in class. And then this is where you would submit your work. All right, I'll see you in class next Tuesday. Have a good weekend. Bye.